Now in the examination you could be asked to describe how to carry out an experiment on the conditions required for rusting. The experiment: place an iron nail in 4 test tubes. Fill test tube A with distilled water until the nail is submerged. Fill test tube B with distilled water and add half a spoonful of sodium chloride. Shake from side to side to ensure that sodium chloride fully dissolves. Fill test tube C with recently boiled distilled water and add a thin layer of oil. When we boil the water, we remove any dissolved oxygen, and the layer of oil prevents any oxygen from further dissolving. In the test tube D, add a spoonful of calcium chloride. Calcium chloride removes moisture or water. So, in the test tube A, the nail is exposed to oxygen and moisture. In the test tube B, the nail is exposed to oxygen, moisture and salt. In the test tube C, the nail is only exposed to water, but no oxygen. In the test tube D, the nail is exposed only to oxygen. Stop at test tube C and D with a rubber bung, and let stand for a couple of days. You will find that the nails in the test tubes A has rusted, the nail in the test tubes B has rusted more than the nail in the test tubes A, and the rust has lightly flaked off. You may see a reddish-brown precipitate on the surface of the nail of these tubes. The nails in the test tubes C and D have not rusted. Salt water increases conductivity, speeding up electron transfer. This is why cars and ships corrode faster near the sea. Rusting is a slow chemical process. In the first stage of rusting, some iron atoms lose electrons to form iron II ions. An iron nail is placed in a solution containing a rust indicator, which contains potassium ferrocyanide. The rust indicator is used as a sensitive test for iron II ions, forming a blue color. Thus, the appearance of a blue color indicates rusting. Oxygen reduction produces hydroxide ions. Phenolphthalein turns pink in alkaline conditions, showing where hydroxide ions are produced together. These color changes reveal the electrochemical processes of rusting. The overall reaction can be represented by an equation. Rust is in fact hydrated iron III oxide, where N is a variable number.